Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick using Canva that will help you remove backgrounds from your images effortlessly. Whether you're a social media manager, a graphic designer, or just someone who wants to make their photos pop, this tutorial is for you. So, let's dive right in. Alright, here we are in Canva. First things first, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one already, you can easily sign up for free by clicking the description link. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the Create a Design button on the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Dimensions and input the dimensions you need for your project. For this demonstration, I'll choose a standard size for social media posts, let's say 2000 by 2000 pixels. Now that we have our blank canvas, let's upload the image we want to remove the background from. Click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, then click on Upload an image or video. Once your image is uploaded, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Perfect! Now, to remove the background, click on your image to select it and you'll notice a toolbar appear at the top. In this toolbar, click on the Effects button and then select Background Remover from the drop-down menu. Canva will then work its magic and automatically remove the background from your image. Depending on the complexity of the background, it may take a few seconds. And there you have it. The background has been successfully removed from our image. And just like that, the background is gone. You can now download your image with the transparent background by clicking on the Download button at the top of the screen. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can remove backgrounds and create stunning designs using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.